Your mind won't stop racing. You replay conversations from 3 days ago. You worry about things that haven't happened yet. You lie awake at night, thoughts spinning in endless circles. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. But 2,500 years ago, Buddha discovered a 5-minute technique that can stop overthinking instantly. And today, neuroscience proves it works. I'm going to teach you this technique right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical tool you can use immediately to quiet your mind and find peace. First, let's understand what's actually happening in your brain. Overthinking isn't a personality flaw. It's your brain's survival mechanism gone haywire. Deep in your brain, you have an almond-shaped structure called the amygdala. This is your fear center. Its job is to keep you safe by constantly scanning for danger. But here's the problem. Your amygdala can't tell the difference between a real threat and an imagined one. It treats a difficult conversation with your boss the same way it treats a lion attack. So your amygdala stays activated, constantly firing, keeping you in a state of hypervigilance. Your thoughts race. Your body tenses. You can't relax. You're stuck in your head. Buddha called this the monkey mind. Your thoughts jump from branch to branch, from worry to worry, never settling, never at peace. And the cost is enormous. Chronic overthinking leads to anxiety, insomnia, and depression. Studies from Harvard show that people who overthink are significantly less happy than people who can quiet their minds. But Buddha found the antidote. It's called noting. And here's exactly how it works. Noting is a mindfulness technique where you simply label your thoughts as they arise, without judgment, without engagement. You just notice them and name them. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit in a chair, on the floor, wherever feels comfortable. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Step 2. Bring your attention to your breath. Don't try to breathe in any special way. Just breathe naturally and notice the sensation. Feel the air entering your nostrils. Feel your chest rising and falling. Now here's what will happen almost immediately. Your mind will wander. A thought will appear. This is guaranteed. This is normal. This is not a problem. Step 3. When a thought appears, simply label it. This is the key. Don't fight the thought. Don't try to push it away. Just notice it and say either out loud or silently, thinking. That's it. Just the word thinking. You're not analyzing the thought. You're not engaging with it. You're just acknowledging, a thought appeared. Thinking. Then gently return your attention to your breath. Another thought will appear. When it does, label it again, thinking. Then return to your breath. That's the entire practice. Breathe. Notice when a thought appears. Label it thinking. Return to breath. Repeat for 5 minutes. Now, let me explain why this simple practice is so incredibly powerful. When you label a thought, something remarkable happens in your brain. Neuroscientists at UCLA discovered that the simple act of putting feelings and thoughts into words reduces activity in the amygdala by up to 50%. 50%. Just by saying the word thinking, you're literally calming down your brain's fear center. Why does this work? Because labeling creates distance. When you say thinking, you're recognizing that you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness observing your thoughts. This is one of Buddha's most profound teachings. You are not your thoughts. You are the space in which thoughts appear. Think about it like this. Imagine you're sitting by a river watching leaves float by. You're not the leaves. You're the one watching the leaves. Your thoughts are like those leaves. They come and they go. But you, the awareness, you remain constant. You remain peaceful. When you practice noting, you're training yourself to be the observer, not the leaf. You're stepping back from the stream of thoughts and watching them pass without getting swept away. And here's what happens over time. The thoughts start to lose their power. They become less sticky. They don't hook you the way they used to. Before, when a worry appeared, you'd grab onto it. You'd follow it down a rabbit hole. But with noting, you see the worry appear, you label it thinking, and you let it go. It passes. This is freedom. Let me give you 3 specific situations where you can apply this immediately. Situation 1. Before sleep. This is when overthinking is often at its worst. Instead of fighting it, just practice noting. Lie in bed, focus on your breath, and every time a thought appears, label it thinking. Within 5 to 10 minutes, your mind will settle and you'll drift into sleep naturally. Situation 2. During stress. Let's say you're at work feeling overwhelmed. Take 5 minutes. Go somewhere private. Close your eyes. Practice noting. After 5 minutes, you'll feel calmer. Your nervous system will have reset. Situation 3. In conversations. Have you ever been in a conversation where you're not really listening because you're thinking about what to say next? Next time you notice your mind wandering, mentally note, distracted. Then bring your full attention back to the person. This will transform your relationships. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, practice noting for just 5 minutes every morning. I want you to comment below after you try this. Tell me what you noticed. Did your mind feel quieter? Did overthinking decrease? And remember what Buddhist said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. If your mind is chaotic, your life will be chaotic. If your mind is peaceful, your life will be peaceful. You have the power to choose. 5 minutes is all it takes. Start today. Your quiet mind is waiting for you.